Today is Wednesday and I'm with Savannah. She still has to do her makeup, but we're going on a photo shoot to get some content. This is my current outfit. Sav's top, and then this is for my new company, Rent Mod. It's a pretty cloudy day, but we're gonna go outside and take some pictures and then maybe find some cool locations if Savannah hurries before I have to do more work. Ooh, they look so good.
They are.
Wow. This is the Beyond Meat burger. Have you tried it?
Yeah, I get it all the time.
I am a pro at rollerblading. Savannah's okay.
Forgot to vlog, but where is he? I don't even know what's going on. Do you know what's going on?
Wow. Hey guys, it's me, Beth, back again. Today I'm with my dog, Winston, and my friend, Savannah, and we're gonna take you with us to the beach. Look who's here. And per usual. We are now at the beach and it's so beautiful today. Me and Savannah are both wearing her red disruptive youth bikinis, and so gorgeous today, and I'm blessed to be in Boca. That's all I gotta say.
Good night, guys.
Look familiar? You too. Literally.
I always get the same piece, the dark chocolate raspberry truffle.
Hey guys, today Savannah and I are just getting ready right now, and I'm gonna be taking some pictures. Savannah's in the shower and I'm just finishing up my makeup and then gonna get ready, but we're gonna take some Instagram content pictures for our businesses per usual, and my business is launching tomorrow or Friday, I'm not sure yet, depends how much we get done, but a lot to do. So full day of working and making content. It's already noon though, so we have a lot to do.
Nice. The healthy mixed with the
Health is wealth. What I eat in a day.
How are you guys doing? Nice to meet you.
Hi.
Hi, Dowdy. Nice to
I'm
meet you.
Elizabeth. Nice
Nice
to
to meet you. Dowdy. Yeah. Alright, cool.
fan.
Great.
Wait, let me get a picture with you.
Appreciate it.
Ratch
He's being such a bad boy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. I know.
New merch.
What's your name?
Elizabeth.
This is the Elizabeth vlog.
This is me and Kingsley. She's the mascot of Heritage. And yeah, we're taking some pictures today.
Doing another shoot. Hi guys. Yes. So as you guys saw, I kind of just put together a bunch of videos from the past couple of weeks. I just don't have time to make a full vlog and I'll forget and then just remember to take a video. So that's kind of what I put into this vlog this week, but I'm gonna try to make actual vlogs soon. I'm just really busy, as I said, but once I move to New York especially, and when I have some free time, I'm gonna make more vloggy vlogs, if that makes sense. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.